Hello, my name is Zerlinda and welcome to another Paddocks Club video. I've noticed that for some time now we have been receiving an influx of queries relating to the installation of meters on common property within sectional title schemes for the recording of the consumption of services such as water and electricity. In community schemes, there is often an intensification of the use of these services, especially when the use of these services by resident owners and occupiers is not being controlled or monitored by the body corporate. It's my understanding that all new sectional title developments must have separate meters installed, measuring the supply of these services to each section, exclusive use area, and the common property. It will be the decision of the developer to rather install prepayment meters on the common property to control the supply of these services to sections and exclusive use areas, and later on the body corporate. Should a body corporate not have meters installed, the owner will be liable, according to their participation quota or another determination as set out in the body corporate rules, to contribute towards the body corporate's total consumption of these services, and not a calculation based on actual individual consumption within sections. In order to recover the costs of the services from their tenants, or to control the use of these services, the owners may require, by ordinary resolution of the members of the body corporate, that the body corporate install and maintain separate meters to supply the common property and individual sections as well as exclusive use areas. The body corporate will then, as a separate line item on the levy statement of owners, recover the cost of these supplies to sections and exclusive use areas based on the actual metered supply. In the alternative, the body corporate may, by special resolution of the members of the body corporate, following a 60-day notice period to all owners as well as occupiers, including the details of the costs involved in the installation and the service provision for the next 3 years, install prepayment meters on the common property to control the supply of services to a section or exclusive use area within the scheme. In the case of this type of installation, the body corporate is responsible to ensure that the system installed does not infringe on the constitutional rights of the section occupiers to access basic services, while the owner, as landlord, is responsible to ensure that the system does not infringe the rights of the tenant in terms of the Rental Housing Act. Thank you for watching this video. If you are a Paddocks Club member, why not discuss this matter further with us on the discussion forum?